or welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. So if you're seeing this face for the first time, hi, I'm Aarti. I make videos on beauty and fashion. So today I came up with this makeup tutorial for you guys and I used all the new products that I received very recently. So we have K-Beauty, we have Forever 52, we have MAC Cosmetics and also a lot of Lakme. So these are all the products that I've never used before. So I'm gonna give you guys my first impression and also teach you guys show you guys basically how I came up with this makeup look. So if you're interested, then make sure you watch this video till the end. It's gonna be really fun to watch, I suppose. I hope so. So if you guys like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And now without any further ado, let's get into the video. Alright guys, so we have a lot of new makeup that I'm gonna play with today and test it for you guys. So first we have this huge package from Lakme. I'll show you guys. Now this is what it looks like, and then we have this whole pouch filled with makeup from Lakme. So we have that. Next up we have a lot of K-Beauty. So next up we have Forever 52. We have their eye pencils and a lot of their lip crayons, and also this eyeshadow from package from Simple Skincare. I think I'm gonna test it out in some other video because it's skincare. I've already prepped my skin, so I'm not gonna use it in this video. Package we have MAC. I mean, can you guys believe it? I cannot. And this is a huge and very special package. Alright guys, so starting with my base, my skin is prepped and I'm gonna start with a primer, and for that we have this Lakme Absolute Primer. I'm just gonna open it and show you guys. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's the Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Primer. I've heard a lot of good things about it and now we're gonna try it ourselves. So I'm just gonna open it. I think this much should be enough. So this is very it has a very moussey texture. I'm just gonna apply it right here wherever I want to blur. If you have any pores and you want to blur those, you'll apply it there. So I'll just apply it right here. This feels very it feels like a, you know, mattifying primer, but also obviously blurring. Yeah, so while I look in the mirror, I can feel that this has blurred this area wherever I applied it. So I think it would be really good if you have a lot of pores and you want to blur this area out. I think 120 would be very light for me, so I'm not going to open this. And 160, I think 180 should work for me, so I'm gonna open this first. And for the packaging, I think it's a really good packaging. Alright, so looking at the packaging, this is what the packaging looks like. This has a frosted glass bottle and the rose gold cap, just like all the 9 to 5 range from Lakme. I think it's a pretty foundation bottle. It's pretty you know, small, so it's travel friendly also. Now let's open it and see what we have. Alright, so it has a spatula kind of a thing, just like we have in the Wet n Wild foundation. Some people do not like it at all. I, however, don't mind it. I think it's pretty fine. I'm okay with it. So let's read the claims of the foundation. So this says built-in primer plus matte foundation with SPF 20, natural flawless finish, perfect cover, long wear formula, medium to high buildable coverage. To use, shake well before use. Okay, right, so I'm gonna go with 180 warm natural. I think it should suit me, but let's see. It has a lot of fragrance, honestly. Yes, it's very highly fragranced. I don't mind it, but some people do not like it again, so you should see. Now I'll try to blend this and see if it's close to my shade. Yes, it's a perfect shade for me. It's a perfect shade for me. It completely matches my neck, so I'm gonna use this. Alright, so I'm gonna take it and apply it. Okay. Oh my god, that's a lot of mess. Shit, my whole trouser has foundation on it. So that was messy. I understand why people don't like it. I mean the packaging. So I'm gonna take this beauty sponge from Drugstore Company and I'm just gonna blend this. It's a very liquidy foundation, like it's not thick at all. It's a very liquidy foundation, and also it blends really nicely. However, it's, yeah, I think it blends really beautifully. I can see it looking really pretty on my skin. It doesn't look like I have a, you know, foundation. It's very skin like foundation. Alright, so this is what the foundation looks like. I think it's really pretty, feels very light on the skin, and it's very skin like. But however, I'm gonna try to build it up and see how it looks when we build it up. And I'm just gonna take a little bit again. So this never happens with the Wet n Wild foundation. That also has this same spatula thing going on, and this however is, I feel, more liquidy than that one. So this literally spills all over while you're just applying it on your face. So that's that. I have foundation on my new top that I just wore 10 minutes ago, so I don't like that. Yeah, the coverage is obviously a lot better while we build up, and it still looks very skin like. It doesn't look cakey, so that's good. It's buildable. So this is what the foundation looks like. I really like the finish. It's buildable, very good. So however, it's matte, but I do not feel it's drying, so I like that. And I feel like it doesn't set immediately, so I think you need to give it, you know, a little bit of time for it to set itself, or obviously set it with the powder. Alright, so for concealer we do not have a new product, so I'm going to use my Sugar Magic Wand concealer, and I'm just going to apply it under my eyes, very lightly though. To set my concealer, I'm gonna use this K Beauty loose powder. This one is in the shade Banana, and I have used it once or twice before and I really like it. However, I'm a dry skin type, so I do not really use, you know, loose powders, but this one I feel like is really good. However, I'm gonna use it again and tell you guys what I feel. So this is what the packaging looks like. It has a mesh right here, so you can get the product out very easily. I like the packaging of this one. I'm gonna take it on my sponge only and set my under eyes first. So I very lightly set my under eyes because I have very dry skin, so I do not like over powdering my face. Alright guys, so for our eyes we have quite a few options. So first we have this Lakme Absolute Spotlight palette. This is the Smokin' Glam, and then we also have the Lakme Absolute Infinity palette. This one is called Coral Sunset. So we have these two. Alright, so next up we have something from K Beauty. This is the Metal Show eyeshadow stick. This is how it looks like. This one is in the shade Jaded Glow. It's a very beautiful eyeshadow. I'll just swatch it for you guys. Oh my god, it glides on so beautifully, so smoothly. I love that, and the color is very beautiful. However, I think I'm not going to be using today because I'm not wearing anything green, so I think I'll use it on my Instagram, so stay tuned for it there. And then we also have this palette from Forever 52. Now I've already used it on my Instagram, so I'm not going to be using this one. So right, so we are left with these two options from Lakme. So I think I'm going to be using this Smokin' Glam palette because it's been a long time I haven't done a smoky eye. So I think I'm going to use this. So this is what the palette looks like while we open it. Okay, so it came with the film, and then it has this brush, and then this is how the shades look like. Alright, so I think we're gonna play with some cool tones today. So I'm gonna start with this shade and put it on my transition. I'm first just placing the shade and then I'll blend it. So this shade is pretty pigmented and it's blending really fine, but there is a lot of fallout on the pan. So if you're okay with that, that's that. Alright, so next up I'm gonna deepen my outer corner with this dark brown. Alright, so I've cut my crease and now I'm gonna use this shade right here, and I have a feeling that it's gonna work better with my fingers, and this is what it looks like. So I'm just gonna apply it right in the middle. So it has fallout, of course. So I'll just try and press it. Alright, so this is what it looks like with my fingers. It's nicely pigmented, not too much. However, I have a feeling if I spritz my brush with a MAC Fix Plus, I think it's going to work better. So I'm going to try that. Alright, so it's first time I'm using it. So I'm just going to take a little bit of shadow on my brush and I'm going to spritz it with some MAC. So we have that. And now I'll just apply it. Yes, so it works much better with the Fix Plus. Alright, so that's how it looks like. And for the inner corner, I'm going to use this silver metallic kind of a shade and blend really nicely into the grey shades. So I cannot see a lot of difference, but that's okay. So I have a lot of fallout under my eyes. So I'm going to take this brush and go like this. If you're going to go like this, it's going to get all over your under eye. So I always like to go like this. Alright, so for my eyeshadows done, and for the mascara we have two options, and the first one is Lakme Iconic Curling Mascara, and the other one we have is K Beauty Lala Lash Voluminizing Mascara. So I think I'm gonna go with the K Beauty. Alright, so I'm just gonna apply a little bit because I'm anyways gonna go with the falsies, so I'll just apply a little bit with this.
Alright guys, so that's what the makeup looks like. I'm sorry I lost all the footage after the mascara application. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, then make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. I'll see you guys in my next video.